You are overcomplicating your summer party desserts when the ultimate crowd pleaser is literally just crushed up cake and frosting on a stick. Making cake pops at home feels like some highly guarded professional baker's secret. But the entire process is actually ridiculously easy and perfect for beginners. First, you need to pick your flavor vibe. A zesty lemon cake screams summer, but funfetti or a rich red velvet with cream cheese frosting will always steal the show. You are going to bake your cake normally, following whatever recipe or box mix you like. But here is the absolute most crucial part of the whole thing. You have to let that cake cool completely. If you get impatient and try to mess with a warm cake, you are going to end up with a massive, sticky disaster. Once it is totally cool, it is time to destroy it. Just get right in there with your hands or a fork and crumble the entire cake up until it looks like coarse sand. You want a really fine texture with zero large lumps. Now grab your favorite frosting. The biggest rookie mistake is dumping the whole tub in at once. You need to add just a couple of tablespoons at a time and knead it together with your hands like dough. You are looking for a consistency that is moist enough to hold its shape perfectly, but definitely not sticky to the touch. Next, roll that mixture into little bite-sized spheres. Try to keep them all the exact same size so they look legit and dip evenly. Put them on a parchment-lined tray and shove them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Do not even think about skipping this chilling step. If you do, your cake balls will fall apart the second they hit the warm chocolate and ruin your life. While they chill, get your melting chocolate ready. You can use candy melts, chocolate chips, or white chocolate. Microwave it in 30-second bursts, stirring in between so you do not burn it. Here is a massive pro tip. Add a tiny splash of vegetable oil or shortening to thin the chocolate out. It makes the dipping process a million times smoother. Take your cold cake balls, dip them straight in, give them a quick little swirl for an even coat, and let the excess drip off. Before that chocolate hardens, you have to work fast and hit them with your decorations. Colorful sprinkles, crushed up cookies, or a contrasting chocolate drizzle look amazing. Pop them back in the fridge for another 30 minutes to let the chocolate set and get that perfect snap. Serve them standing upright in a mason jar filled with sand, or wrap them in little clear treat bags. Everyone is going to think you spent hours slaving away in the kitchen, or dropped serious cash at a fancy bakery, when in reality, you just mashed up a cake and won the entire summer.